What's up,
Hey,
guys? Sorry about Monday. I was passed out at my cousin's house.
Are you just on audio, Ammon?
Hello?
Are you
hello.
there?
Yeah, I'm home. I just can't hear very well.
Okay.
There we go, I think.
So we're supposed to go over
Yep.
part 2 of lesson 5, right?
Correct.
Okay. Did anybody have problems with it? Because part 2 is quite long. So I'm wondering if you guys...
I haven't even looked at it yet.
Okay.
Once I figured it out, it wasn't too bad.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the part I kind of struggled on the most, was that second part. Because I felt like I understood it, but I mean, the first part I understood fine. I was just struggling with the second part a little bit, but
Yeah.
So are there any of them that you have a specific question about?
let me try to check real quick. No, there wasn't a specific one. I think it was just I just kind of struggled with all of it. I don't want to be that person, but
I
So-
struggled at first and then I figured it out. So
So Katie, how did you get number 7E? Because mine was 0.495, not 0.5698.
okay, now I have to remember how I did it because yeah. It was one of those I sat there and typed it in on the calculator. I'm like, oh look, I got the right answer. So
Okay.
but it was similar to like when you figure out when we did the probability from the last ones
Mm-hmm.
on the last assignment. I think that's when we did it, right? And you're figuring out the numbers in between. And then I know I used that curve thing that you put the area and stuff or whatever in.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I'll just try it again. I just was looking through it and I saw that I'd missed that one, so
Yeah.
I'll give it a little shot.
Yeah. Like I said, once I figured it out, it was like I went through and did them. And now you ask me how I did it. Yeah, I'd have to go back and figure out how I did it.
All right.
Because I was trying to hurry and get it done before we met tonight while everybody was at Mutual with the two youngest still at home. So,
Gotcha.
So are you guys ready to do the quiz?
yep.
as ready as I'll ever be.
All right.
Mhm.
I thought I had mine pulled up, but give me just a sec.
That was me on Monday. I thought I had it pulled up and then it wanted me to sign in and everything again.
Yeah, that's what I'm having to do. Group meeting quiz lesson 5.
Yep.
Did you guys do the homework?
I did. Kind of. I started on it. We'll put it that way.
Okay. I just did my homework quiz, and it's pretty similar to the homework. All of the questions are.
Okay. Yeah, I started on it and then I'm like, oh, I'm running out of time. I'll finish it after. So,
Can you save them? Like,
not the quiz, just the homework
Oh,
assignment.
okay. Okay, number 3, the total area under the normal distribution curve must equal 1, right?
Yep.
Yep.
False. Number 4 is my true.
Yep.
This is just like our homework, apparently.
Yeah. A normal distribution curve is symmetric. Well, I think of the bell curve, so that
I
would
say
be
true.
Yeah.
And then C.
Okay, so
The following elements of the figure represent the z-score. I put C.
Yep.
Okay. Greater than 1, I would be B.
Yeah. I'm having to scroll back and forth, look.
I know.
Yeah.
Up and down.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
oh, I hate
Well,
that
it's 68%.
Yeah.
mhm.
Because 68 is 1 standard deviation, 95 is 2, 99.7 is 3.
3.
Okay. Suppose that z-scores come from a standard normal distribution. Use the normal probability applet to answer this question. What proportion of z-scores will be between 0 or -1 and 1? So I can screen share real quick and I'll just pull up my applet.
Okay.
That would just be the decimal form of that 68%, wouldn't it? Because it's that middle part, and it's 1 standard deviation each way.
Yeah, right?
So it's just
That's
68
points.
0.6827.
0.6827. So I think it's
Yeah.
supposed to be 0.68 or
Each three.
0.683.
Yeah.
And I type 3.
Yeah. So the nearest third, yeah.
Oh, and I put it on the wrong one. Point. So -2 and 2 is going to be the 95%, isn't it?
That's what I was
Yeah.
thinking.
955, I think.
Point 955.
Yeah.
Yeah.
0.97 for 11.
Yeah, 0.997.
This matches the rule. Blah, blah, blah.
That's what I was just going to say. It matches. Imagine that.
Oh, looks like we're going to have to maybe do some math here.
We were doing so good.
No, those are so easy.
Now we actually have to think.
Where did I put my pencil? So the mean is 0.65 and the deviation 0.07. So I got 0.238.
Yeah.
So can you just kind of walk through how you got that real quick?
So the formula to find the z-score is z equals x minus mean divided by standard distribution.
Mhm.
So for the x, I put 0.60 minus 0.65 and then divided it by 0.07, which gave me negative 0.714. And then I just put that in the applet and
Okay.
did the proportion that was less than
Got it.
standard
Okay.
z-score.
Yep.
Okay. And then to find the proportion that is more than 60, you just have to select the different things. So it'd be 0.762. That sound right?
Yeah.
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 Let me just repeat that one.
Yep.
So 15 is
Less than 70. So I get 0.762 again.
yeah. I'm on the wrong screen. Okay. What was it again?
Well, let's see. Did I do this wrong? What proportion of the population have a protein requirement that is less than,
So it should be everything less than.
oh, yeah. So I have it selected right,
That's
0.762.
right. Yeah.
So how can it be the same as the?
Because it's a
one right
different. It's the 0.7, right? Because it's more than the mean this time.
Yeah.
So it just flips. Kinda.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hmm.
And then this one's the area between the two values. And then subtract the smaller area from the larger area. I'm just reading through it, what it tells you to do.
But I don't. I'm going to calculate those again. That just sounds weird to me.
I'd have to agree. It makes sense, but it doesn't.
I just don't get how it could be. Okay. Blah. So it would be just
So it's
0.525?
0.5245 or 525, yeah.
.524.
Well, you round it up.
Yeah, I just went off of the numbers we had instead of doing that with everything.
Because with the
Yeah,
applet,
it's more.
it's more.
Oh, I hate finding percentiles.
I think that's the easiest part. So,
So this one we should be able to put 0.35 in there, right?
Yeah, as the z's. So 62% or 0.623 round is what I get as the 35th percent.
0.623,
Yeah. Is that what you guys are getting?
and you put 0.35 in the z-score, right?
Yep. Well, as
You
negative
put it,
5 as z
yeah.
What
because
did you have for the Z?
I had negative
So you put,
0.385.
Yeah, okay.
And then z is that, and then equals x minus 0.65 divided by 0.07. And then doing the math out, it comes to 0.623.
okay.
Let me recalculate one more time just to make sure, because I have had issues. Yep, okay. In the 80th percentile, so we'll go. So what did you guys get on number 18?
Okay, I don't think I did that one right. Okay, I did something wrong on that one.
So how are you calculating it?
Well, I went into the applet first and went to that part. I might have
Okay.
just missed a number when I was doing it, though. Like, didn't type it in right.
Yeah.
So, give me a minute. Okay. 0.591. Is that what? Everybody else got?
I'm still working on it. Sorry, let me get my. I was just looking at the readings, looking at how to solve it again. What I got. Because you're solving for x on this, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I just blacked or lost connection, but did anybody submit it?
No.
Okay, I'm gonna submit mine real quick and see what we got.
Okay.
That looks right to me, I think.
Um, 18 is wrong.
18 is wrong.
Yeah.
Is that the only
Alright.
one we missed?
Yep.
Okay. I'm gonna go look at the readings again and see what we missed on that.
I'm gonna set it up in Excel real quick. Point 842.
Okay, I'm not sure if I did it right, but I got 0.70. It'd be 0.709. That's an answer I got.
Okay. I'm going through the readings, making sure.
Because we're looking at, in the readings, it'd be 3.4, right? That solving for x portion.
That's
Mhm.
what I'm looking at.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't understand where they got the 0.034.
So for the bottom half of that, that's the, wow. Give me a minute, I'm looking. Is our standard deviation.
So is the equation we start with, would it be 0.842 equals x minus 0.65 over 0.07?
It should be negative 0.842.
Oh, negative 8.42. Okay.
Yeah.
I don't know what it would be different. I've figured it 4 times again.
Oh yeah, see, I got 0.591 also then. That is weird.
Yeah.
Because I calculated it the exact same as number 17, and 17 was right.
Hmm.
Not sure. So I have 0.709. I'm not sure if I did that right.
So how did you calculate that?
So I took, so we're solving for x. So the z-score of negative 0.842. And then you want to multiply both sides by the standard deviation, which was, I gotta go back up to it,
0.07.
0.07. And then you want to you want to add to both sides 0.65.
So what did you
Solves for
put?
x.
What was the value of z that you put in there?
The negative, let me find it again. Negative 0.842.
Because I got I got the 0.709, but I had the positive 0.842. When I put the negative in there, I think I get 0.591.
See, when I put the negative in there, I get negative 0.473. I'm missing something up. That ain't right.
So my question is, why do we use the negative number then instead of the
Because
positive?
The
Because we want to know the 80% less, if I remember right, or whatever.
Okay.
is the
We're
positive.
looking at the lower half.
Hmm.
Tonight. Oh, then it's gonna stay dirty.
See, now I got the negative number
Oh,
like he had.
boy.
I have no idea. I'm stumped on this one, why we got it wrong.
So if we look at the example, they used the positive number.
Did they?
Yes. Because they were finding the 90th percentile of normal distribution.
Yeah.
And so they used the positive number, which would be the
0.709.
Okay, so why doesn't
0.842.
somebody- Yeah, why doesn't somebody put the answer as 0.709 and submit it and see?
I can do that. And that's it.
Okay,
It's 0.709.
Sweet.
But you need me to go back through them for you, Lorinda?
no, I've got them.
Okay.
I'm just submitting
Awesome.
them.
Thanks, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, when do you guys want to meet again?
I have a job interview on Monday, and I don't know if I'll have access to the internet out in the middle of nowhere, Texas.
Okay.
Okay.
I have Tuesday that I'm mostly available, but I'm going to be in the middle of the ocean, so I should have internet access.
Lucky you.
I know, I can't wait. So do you want to plan on Tuesday night at 9 again?
That should be fine. I can't
Okay.
think of
I think that
anything going
And
on.
just in case I don't have it set up somehow, because that's 10 o'clock on the ship time, so I should be able to try and get there. If I'm not right there at 9 o'clock, I'll try for 9:30. Just,
Okay.
you never know.
Okay,
I'll email you if I don't think I'm going to be able to get there right at 9. How's that sound?
sounds
Sounds
good.
good.
Okay.
Because we gotta turn this in by 10 o'clock, right?
11. Is it
Oh.
11?
Or is it 11?
I think it's 11.
Okay. I
Let
know
me check.
I have
I can
some assignments that are due by 10 o'clock and some by 11, and I get them confused. So I just told myself
Yeah.
all the assignments were pretty
Yeah,
much
this-
10 o'clock.
Do you guys
All right,
think
guys, I gotta go.
11.
do you think you'd be ready soon enough by Sunday evening?
Sunday?
I don't know, because my son has wrestling meet all day Saturday.
Okay. All right. Well, we'll just plan on Tuesday at 9 or 9:30 if I email you.
Okay, that
Okay.
works.
All right, sounds good.
See ya.
See ya.
Thanks.